Ayole. This is a unisex Oriki, meaning it applies to both male and female children. And it means the child to be displayed with joy. There are two main words in that name. The words yo and le. Yo means to rejoice, to do something joyfully. It means to be glad, to be exceedingly happy. And le means to place something atop another thing, to display, to showcase something, the way goods are showcased in the market. And Ayole is therefore the child that we display with a lot of joy in our heart, the child that we joyfully showcase to the world. Having this child gives us so much joy, and as a result of that, we naturally display the child with joy. Ọmọ tá ń yọ̀ láti lé, lílé ọmọ yìí fáwọn ọmọ aráyé rí, ayọ̀ ló jẹ́ fún wa, ayọ̀ ló mú wá bá wa. Showcasing you brings us joy because you yourself are joy personified. Ayole, the child we rejoice over, the child we display joyfully. Wàá Ṣere.